Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to get WhatsApp on your PC. So let's dive right in. First, you need to download the WhatsApp desktop application. To do this, go to the Microsoft Store and search for WhatsApp. Once you find it, tap on the Install option. You can also download and install it from your web browser. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS. After the installation is complete, open the WhatsApp app. Now click on Get Started button. You'll see a QR code on the right side of the screen. Now, take your smartphone where you have WhatsApp installed. If you're using an Android smartphone, tap the menu button from the toolbar in the top right corner, then select the Linked Devices option. Select Link a Device in the next window. Point your smartphone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. In a second, the QR code will be scanned and you'll be logged in to WhatsApp Web. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.